How to add music on Canva video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add music to Canva video. So for that, just simply open the Canva, and after that just select a project in which you want to add a music. So for example, I want to edit this particular video right here, and in order to add music to this particular video, all you have to do is just simply click on the upload section from the left hand side menu screen. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply click on upload file and just select the file from your device. So I'm selecting the file, this music right here, and just open it and add it into your Canva. And after that, all you have to do is just simply press on this particular music that you are adding and just drag it and drop it into the timeline in the video itself. And you can also increase the time of the, and you can shift the music wherever you want to add it. And if you think that the music is too short, you can also duplicate this particular music while right click on it and click on duplicate track, and the track will repeat itself, and you can create multiple files of this one. This music is short in length. I have chosen this particular music purposely. You can select any of the music as per your liking, and once the music has been added, all you have to do is just simply play the video and see whether you like the final result or not. And if you're happy with the final result of after adding the music, all you have to do is just simply click on the share icon, and from there just simply download the final result or the video as per your choice. So this is basically how you will be able to add music on Canva video. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.